My name is Sagarika Behra, a student of School of Management Studies, GIT University, Gunpur. I'm excited to be a part of this vibrant academic community. Today, we have a guest speaker beside us, Dr. Ganesh Abhimanyu Das, an Associate Professor in Marketing at Saudi Electronic University, Riyadh. Namaste, sir. We are welcoming you to our university. We are glad to have you, sir. Sir, can you give a short introduction about yourself?
Yeah, it is just like coming back to the roots. So this is Dr. Ganesh. I did my entire education in the next city. It is Parlakundi. It is just 50 kilometers away. And Gunpur is, I am very closely attached to Gunpur. So since the time GIT came, like engineering college, then university, I am looking. But actually I came inside for first time. So you can say that being a native Odia, first education in Parlakundi, then Barampur, then I did my PhD in Pondicherry Central University, then I worked across 8 states in India, now in Riyadh. Okay, so I am handling digital marketing program in the post-graduation for the university, and it's nice to be here.
So as you told, you have visited this campus for the first time. So how do you feel and what is your experience visiting our campus?
Yeah, it is always, you can say that, welcoming the attitude. It is all about the people. We have to, just like in marketing we tell, that out of all the P's, the most important element is P, for people. So it's all about the students, the teachers, the employees. That makes any institution excel. And as you know, I have great friends here, so I love to be here. Thank you.
Thank you. So can you share your experience in the field of digital marketing?
Yes, very soon we will be discussing more on that. So as you know, 1990s, two things it changed the world. First is your transportation, second is communication. So transportation part we are not going to discuss more, but communication part, that internet, the internet changed everything what we do in life. So starting from web 1 to web 2, web 3 and web 4, right now we are in the stage of meta wave, and that's why everybody should be having some footprint of digital in every aspect of life. So marketing is more about now digital or not physical, it is more of phygital. We can say physical plus digital. So you can say that now all our students, they are well acquainted with all these e-commerce and social media, that how to use those tools to get the attention of the customers, that is what we must target it.
Exactly, so. So what are the scope and opportunities that the students are going to get, those who want to choose their career in the field of digital marketing?
Yes. Digital marketing, if you take as sole source of any kind of discipline, then you can go for, actually right now, if you are good with background in statistics or mathematics, you can go for digital marketing analyst, which is one of the highest paid job in the job market right now. Or if you don't have that kind of background, you can go through some kind of communication or networking, okay, mostly in media. And nowadays actually the social media marketing, it is actually one kind of, it is growing like exponential. So it is more of, you can say that if you have background either from mathematics or statistics, you go to the analytics side. If you don't have, simply go to the CRM side.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Sir, what are the message that you want to give to our students, those who are interested in digital marketing?
Look, everything is digital. Nothing is physical now. Whatever you do, everything is a content. So it is all about content, content and content. So out of all digital marketing, and I can see that all Insta, Twitter or X, and you go for the Meta or WhatsApp, Insta, Snapchat, everywhere, the students are highly involved. Only thing is that they have to take it as one kind of education stream or outcome of that education. So it is mostly whatever you are using as a tool, or any kind of program or application you're using just like for entertainment, just use like an education tool. Then you will see, and with the correct degree and the correct input from the teachers, and obviously sky is the limit.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable words and your motivation.
Most welcome.
Once again, thank you for visiting our campus and giving us your prestigious and precious time to us. Thank you, sir.
Hello viewers, my name is Khushi Kumar Rajak from School of Management Studies, JIT University Gunpur. Let us know student opinion on today's seminar. Now we have Abhay from our department. What feedback that you want to give regarding this session?
So actually in today's feedback it was really informative. The session on the topic was the changing landscape of virtual teaching and learning. In today's session it was really can be said as I told that it's informative as because we have got and learned about various aspects of AI, how can it benefit our society as well as it can also have growth to our nation as well. In the today's session, one of the most important point which we have learned is that AI will not replace humans, but humans with AI will definitely be replacing humans but not AI. Thank you.
Now we have another student with us. Name please.
My name is B. Vaishnavi from MBA first year.
What you learned from this session?
The key insights I have learned from this session: the types of analytics, prescriptive, predictive, diagnostic and descriptive, how it is used in the market and other sectors, as well as the forecasting. The most learning management system which is used in the renowned universities all over the world. Thank you.
अब हमारे साथ एक और स्टूडेंट है. आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम विष्णु कुमार बोसा है. मैं बीबीए फर्स्ट ईयर से हूँ. मेरे को ये सेशन बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि ये सेशन से मेरे को बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला. जैसे एआई के बारे में, ये आजकल की दुनिया में बहुत कुछ काम आने वाला है और फ्यूचर में भी इम्प्रूव करने वाला है. और ये सेशन मैं आशा करता हूँ कि ऐसे कंटिन्यू होते रहे आगे भी. थैंक यू.
अब हमारे साथ एक और स्टूडेंट है. आपका नाम?
जी, मेरा नाम देवप्रकाश साहू है, बीबीए फर्स्ट ईयर.
आप इस सेशन से क्या सीखे?
जैसे कि एआई के बारे में सर बोल रहे थे सेशन में, तो ये सीख मिली कि एआई को चलाने के द्वारा हम जॉब से कैसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हमारे पास आ सकता है. खाली यही नहीं है कि ट्रेडिशनल वे से पढ़ने से हमको तरक्की मिलेगी. आज के जनरेशन के से जैसे चल रहा है सब कुछ, उसके जनरेशन के साथ ही ट्रेंड के साथ हम लोग को फॉलो करना चाहिए. खाली एआई ये ही नहीं है जैसे वो सोर्स की हमको आगे ले सकता है. आजकल के ज़माने में जैसे इंटरनेट में बहुत सारे एआईस भी आ चुके हैं जिसको हम यूज़ करके और भी ज़्यादा उसका स्किल अप कर सकते हैं. और यही सब चीज़ हमको आगे जाके डिग्री में या जॉब के क्षेत्र में हमको और भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लेके आएगी.